Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is super duper simple. I will be sharing with you guys a red date yogurt recipe that only entails 3 ingredients. Each serving contains 140 calories, so if you're in for a light and delicious snack, then let's get started. The ingredients you'll need are 3 dried red jujube dates, 2.5 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 cup of 2% plain yogurt. In a bowl, soak the red dates with hot water. Cover and let it sit for 1 hour. Once the dates are ready, remove them from the water. If the dates that you're using are seeded, then you'll have to remove the pit using a small paring knife or butter knife. Otherwise, you can buy seedless red dates to save yourself some trouble. And the rest is simple. Add all of your ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. And the yogurt is done! Enjoy it as a beverage, or eat it as a small snack with some granola or nuts. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in and until next time, happy eating! Bye bye!